how can schools and institutions can promote the basically the field of ornithology? How can these institutions make the students to have interest in birds and their conservations?
So the best way to make people interested in conservation is to take them to the natural age. Who in classroom, if you teach the Paryavarana Bachao or Ye Karo, they will not understand it very good. So if you take them to the field, of not necessarily you have to go to a national park or a science field, just your lawn, garden. In a most of the cities have some gardens. You take them to the garden, and there you can show them different species of not only birds only, but butterflies and insects and when it's and as well as this, shrubs and herbs and flowers. So some people will get interested in that. Now, if you want to show the horror of the pollution, so if we take them and show that the this river or the wetland is polluted, then it will remain in their mind that and you show a good wetland which is unpolluted with flowers and lotus and some birds moving around or flying around or sitting swimming in the water. So that will this contrast will remain in the mind. Hmm. If you pollute, then there's very little biodiversity left. If we keep it clean, then there's a lot of biodiversity. This is much better than teaching in a class. Of course, we have to teach some theoretical things in the classes. I mean, there's no substitute the class teaching. But for teaching nature, it is best to take them. And I would say that if going to nature or the park should be made a compulsory part of the teaching process. Hmm. Which in the at present it is not. We also tried when I was in Bombay, Netflix with IP, we had a conservation education center where we bring our children, school children, college, and not only school children, college teachers, or college students also, and teachers also. Hmm. So once they come to our conservation education center, it is a different world for them, and they all were fascinated by that. Whatever we have got some good teachers, educators to teach and different things. One more thing which we did it in Mumbai, and I must thank my colleagues there, Dr. Shobha Lakshmi and others, that we made a course for teachers training exercise or teachers training course. Hmm. Because if you teach the teacher, then the teacher will be every year teaching the students. Hmm. So teachers training is also extremely important, and many teachers come forward like that because they are all interested, and when they see the enthusiasm of the student, they will also try to learn and they try to improve their knowledge about nature. So we should, in colleges and schools, we should have a teachers training. Hmm. And the teacher should be taken to along and the student, because then it will be a replicator and perfect. I can teach 30 students or 40 students, and it's quite costly for me or I even to go and or bring the student. But the teacher can teach probably in her lifetime or his lifetime many thousands of students. So we have to make aware of the teachers to for the conservation issues and about environmental issues. I must also add here that it is not the school children; it is also the decision makers who have to be taught of conservation, because today they are taking the decision today. We can't wait for student to become, say, after in 20, 20, 30 years, he or she becomes a district collector and then be taking decision. So we should also have a course and or the exercise or taking them to the decision makers. That should be done at a higher level. In the sense that, and many decision makers are excellent. Many district magistrates are excellent conservationists also. And I know many there. In my book also I have mentioned there is one chapter about the conservationist district magistrates who have played a very important role in conservation wherever they go. So once they are convinced once they are converted, then all their decisions are not converted. Most of the decisions are not damaging to the environment, but playing a positive role.
Okay, Professor.